Free will does not mean you get to do whatever you want whenever you want. Sure, you can do whatever you want whenever you want, but that is not free will. Free will is alignment of your own personal will with the divine will, and then choosing to live by that divine design. So, if this makes you a little more consciously, creatively curious, then let's broaden our perspective on what free will actually means and break free from any new age or old age programming of what this free will is and anchor into its eternal truth of this divine will. So, if you're ready, then let's dive in. So, everything that is happening to you in your life right now is a consequence of your own making. The world around you is nothing but an amalgam of all the choices that you've made in the past, making in the present, and what you've made in the future. Yes, in the future also, across all timelines. I hear you. But this is not the transmission in which we're going to talk about timelines. But stay with me here. So now that we know that everything in your life is made by you, by your own will, and this will is personal will. You have created this consciously and unconsciously, but you have created this. And this is personal will, not free will, personal will. Personal will is nothing but what the persona wants, what the personality wants. And that could be or could not be aligned with the divine. And that is what is the difference. Now, the personal will is so strong. It's so powerful because once we know this, everything is of our own making, then we know that we can bend and mend this reality and manifest anything in this life. But that is still not free will. Do you know people who have got the job that they want, the dream job, the dream car, the dream house, the dream body, the dream money, the dream wife, husband, boyfriend, children, everything. They've got what the persona wanted. But then at the end, when they had it, when they have it, there is still this void, this emptiness, this longing of something which they quite can't put a finger on. This is only because the personal will wasn't aligned with the divine. It was disconnected. It did not come from the right place. It sure is manifestation and law of attraction, but it is not alchemy. It did not come from the truth, from the ruh, from the soul. It did not come from the divine. It bypassed all the feelings that it had to feel. It bypassed all the realities that it had to live. Destiny is not just only rainbows. Maybe the divine wanted you to go through lack. The divine wanted for you to go through whatever. which is not seen as or known as the perfect life, but there was lack of surrender to the divine. And that richness is not abundance. That richness is not connected from inside. It is not the projection of your soul. It is just it's just the reflection of the mind. It's disconnected, and that's why you can see that, you can witness this job, money, food, everything around you, but it's not connected. It did not come from the inside. You know why free will is called free will? Because you are surrendering your personal will to the divine, and it's set free. You set it free. Now, you might ask, how do we do that? This is not, again, the transmission in which we're going to discuss that. My intention of this video, of this transmission, is to communicate to you that free will is not the new age slogan which says you're allowed to do whatever you want. Go out there and do whatever you want, whenever you want. No. Although you are allowed to, you have the permission to. And actually, to practice free will, it begins with that. Not doing whatever you want, but giving yourself the permission, allowing, not doing, but allowing yourself to do whatever you want. By claiming back the power from the world which tells you to do, to feel a certain way, which tells you to have something to feel a certain way. By claiming all of that back to you, that you decide, you get to decide. And you know how we decide this. We decide this together with the divine, with God. We co-create this with God because we want to be free. Yeah, we want to be free. So, free will is not choosing whatever you want. Free will is choosing what you are, knowing what you are and choosing what you are. Free will is choosing the chosen, which you are. Well, alright then. I am trusting that this piece of transmission has activated that something in you, the knowing in you, and has woken up that dormant DNA of free will consciousness. And I pray that when you receive it, you embrace it fearlessly and allow it to alchemize your life unconditionally. Just allow it. See it. It's not an illusion. What you're receiving from the divine, the wish of the divine for you, it's not impractical. It's not impossible. And you know it's come from the divine. How? Because you no more care about the outcome. You're not attached to it. You just know you need to show up for it. So embrace the vision, the will of the divine. I love you. And I'll see you on the other side.